Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the front door panel on your Land Cruiser 100 series or LX 470. This vehicle is actually a Land Cruiser 100, but I have LX 470 doors on it. So go ahead and get started here. First thing we want to do is actually lower the window. That way we have enough clearance to get the door panel off. Next, go ahead and gently pop this tweeter cover off. Now, your speaker should stay in place. Mine's an aftermarket tweeter, so it kind of falls out there. Take a small flat blade screwdriver and pop these two little plastic covers off. Mine's already off here, so I'm just go ahead and get this one off. Go ahead and remove these two screws here. We'll remove these two push pins here. We'll just push our flat blade into the center part and then we'll pry up and pop them out. And don't forget about the push pin up in the front here. There's one up here. Do the same thing. Pop it and then pull it out. Now we're going to take the door handle off. The first thing you want to do is pop open this little tab here. And that'll expose a Phillips screw. Then go ahead and take your Phillips screwdriver and get that removed. Now take your small flat blade and stick it above the lock switch here, and you're going to pry up to get that this bezel here to pop off of the holder. Like so. And then gently go ahead and start to pry it, and then again at the bottom too. And then to get this off, what you want to do is pull the handle a little bit, and you can see it release a lot more easier there. Then go ahead and slide that off. Next, we're going to take off this window switch, and it's held on by a hook here on the back, a little metal hook. And on the front here, there's a push kind of knob that you got to put a screwdriver or a plastic tool in there and push it into it so it can release, and you can pop up the window switch. Like so. And you can see here what I was talking about. There's this little metal switch here you got to push with your screwdriver or pry tool to get it to pop off and release out of here. Next, we can go ahead and disconnect these. And this is why we did our window first, because now once we disconnect these, we can't use our window. Next, we're going to get these 4 screws off the bottom. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm missing this one here, so go ahead and get these 3 off. You'll notice now it's a little bit flimsy. There's only one thing holding it on still, and that's this bolt right here. So go ahead and take this one out, and that's the last step. If you have a Land Cruiser, if you have an LX 470, you have this speaker right here, which you can see, maybe probably can't see yet, but it's bolted in there. So once we get the door off, you'll have to go and hold the door and get those 2 screws off. So there's actually 2 more things attached on mine. I have the speaker, like I mentioned, and then this light here. So when we pull the door away, we'll pop out that light there and take our screwdriver and get that speaker disconnected. And there we go, easy as that. Now we can change our speakers out if we want to, add some sound deadening mats, or do anything else in here you want to do. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody.